Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be sound deadening the walls using the sound deadening from dodomat.com, the Dead Easy range. They're just a little bit bigger than A4 size sheets. Oh gosh, what makes this? A4 size sheets. So we're going to cut them up and stick them onto each panel of the van, including the roof, just to take out any of that tinny noise that you'll hear while driving.
So we're cutting these in half because they're actually too wide to fit in each panel, and you don't need to put them everywhere. They're literally just to make the panels heavier to reduce the tinniness of them.
You literally peel off the backing paper, stick it onto the panel. I don't know if centres matters, but then we've got a little roller just to smoothen it all on. So if you use your hand, just give you little cuts. So let's see if we can see the difference from each side. Tap this one in the middle-ish. Very metally. And this side, not as bad. For the back doors, we're just going to do the sound deadening on these top parts, because for these bits we're undecided if to put windows in, so we're going to keep it there for now.
What's happened?
The pin!
Are you joking?
Got these rollers from Amazon, they're a pack of 2. One's slightly bigger, but they're rubbish. The pins keep falling out, so one's already broken. On the ceiling, we've had to be careful because there is a bit of condensation around, especially at the front. So we're just having to stick it where it's driest up. sound deadening is finished, it's a very tedious job, but hopefully a necessary one. The next job is insulation. The next job is to use the dodomat fleece.
It's not dodomat, it's just dodo.
Dodo.
The dodo fleece made from recycled bottles.
The next job is to use the dodo
Thermo fleece.
thermo fleece, which is recycled plastic. Looks a bit like cotton
Bottles.
wool. Plastic bottles. Looks a bit like cotton wool, I suppose. And we just need to try and get it inside this bar there, down there, just in all little nooks and crannies.
So we're continuing insulating the van, and because we're going to have a bed that goes side to side, what we need to do is we need to maximise the width, so not actually box in too much. So with them bits there, where we put the sound deadening, if we were to just come straight down like we've seen some people, then we'd end up losing a good sort of 4 inches on either side. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to insulate inside these parts. We're going to insulate inside there first, and then straight over the top. And the stuff that we're using is the Dodo Therm. So you've got sort of foil on one side, and then the foam insulation, and it's self-adhesive when you pull the back off. So we're going to put that, as I say, we're going to put some in there, and then we're going to go over the top. So it's not going to have a massive amount of insulation, but we need to maximise the width. We've now got this side finished and we're really happy with the results. So we've ended up with about 20mm of insulation all together because we've doubled up as you've seen in the video. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting the bar for the bed, so we're going to put a piece of wood across there. But before we do that, we'll put the riv nuts in, etc. And then we'll put another piece of this behind so that it gives it that gap. But there will be insulation sort of going in there as well. Now when we've come to this side, we have got the diesel heater running to try and keep us warm. When we've come to this side, because of obviously the temperature, it's quite cold outside, what we're finding is that it's actually condensating. So when we've looked, you can't see it at all. No, you can't. It's not doing it like it did before because we've warmed it up.
Yeah. You can't see it on camera, but
it's difficult to see on camera, but it is condensating. So what we don't want to do, we don't want to be trapping that moisture behind. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave it for today, let the van cool down, let all the temperatures equalise, and then come back in another day and carry on with it. So we're now working on the other side of the van. We fill these inserts with the dodomat, and then as we've done with the other side, we're going to put a full piece across, giving us double the thickness.
We didn't film insulating the whole van because that would just be as boring as the sound deadening was. But now everywhere is covered, we can move on to framing the van. Thank you for watching.